Good morning,
Happy
children.
to see you again in online class. Welcome to the recap session. The first thing we are going to learn is facts about English. The first one is the most common adjective used in English is good. The most common adjective used in English is good. The second one, the first English dictionary was written in 1755. The first English dictionary was written in 1755. Today, we are going to see the recapitulation of Unit 1, Prose 1, Sea Turtle. In this lesson, we have learnt about the sea turtle. Now, I will recap the lesson with the help of a mind map. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. First, remember tortoise. It is a marine species. Okay. The marine relative of this species is the turtle. Okay. Now, this turtle spends most of its entire life in the sea or ocean. Okay. Yes. Now we will see how many species are found in the world. There are 7 species in the world. And in India, how many are found? In India, we can find 5 types of species. What are they? Leatherback, hawksbill, green sea turtle, loggerhead, and the olive ridley. Okay? Olive ridley. Now, in India, we can find only the olive ridley because the other 4 have been extinct. That is, they are not to be found anymore. Now, what is the size of a sea turtle next? The next is the size of a sea turtle. This adult sea turtle weighs about 35 kg. The loggerhead weighs about 700 kg. Okay? Yes. Though it is a marine species, sometimes it comes ashore. Why does it come ashore? Yes, all of you know. Why? Because it comes ashore to lay eggs. It comes ashore to lay eggs. Okay. Which turtle comes ashore to lay eggs? Which turtle is found in India in the coastal areas? Yes, it is a olive ridley. It comes ashore to lay eggs. Okay. Now here is the end of this section 1. Okay. Section 2. Okay. Here is a mind map for section 2. It is about the birth of the young ones. It is about the birth of the young ones. Now we know that sea turtles come ashore to lay eggs. When do they come? They come during the month of January and March. They come only at the night times. Okay? How they come? They come with the help of the flippers. These flippers are useful to swim in the sea. But when they come on land, they have to put more effort to move on the sand. Okay? Now, they come far away from the high tides. They choose a place where they want to lay the eggs. Okay? They dig a cavity of 45 centimeters deep and they lay the eggs. Okay? They lay the eggs. Now, how are the eggs? The eggs are like a tennis ball. Its shape is just like a tennis ball. Okay? Now, they lay the eggs. They close the cavity with the sand with the help of the flippers. Okay? They close the cavity with the help of the flippers. And then they go back to the water. Okay? Same. See, they go back to the sea. They go back to the sea. Now, the eggs are incubated in the warmth of the sun. They leave their eggs to incubate in the warmth of the sun. Okay. Now, the eggs which have been incubated, the people follow the track of the turtles and they hunt the eggs. The animals like jackal, domestic dog and pig, they follow the scent of the sea turtle and they eat the eggs. The eggs which are left out without hunting, they hatch. They take 45 to 60 days to hatch. The tiny hatchlings come out That is, they slash open the eggshell with a tiny tooth. Okay. Now these hatchlings come upwards on the surface. After coming to the surface, they make a move to the sea. Okay. Now this was the end of the section 2. The section 3 deals with the survival of sea turtle. Many tiny hatchlings weigh 20 grams. On the way to the sea, they are eaten by the birds and crabs. Most of them who reach water are eaten by the predators in the sea. The scientists estimate that only 1 in every 1,000 hatchlings becomes an adult. Okay? Yes. Many years after swimming in the ocean, the adult turtle come to the place where they were born. For what? Yes, they come to the same place where they were born to lay their own eggs. Okay. See how strange it is about these sea turtles? Do we remember what happened 1 year before? Or 2 days back? Yes, most of you not, isn't it? Sometimes we forget. But see, look at these strange creatures. They remember their place of birth and they come to the same place to lay their eggs. Okay? Yes. Now, these sea turtles survive many natural disasters. There are many factors which threatens their survival. For example, the people hunt them for their meat and egg. And they are accidentally trapped in the nets of the motorboats which they use for fishing. Okay. Then pollution, dumping of plastics in the ocean or sea, and also the construction activities taken by the people on the nesting beach. Is it not? Yes. So these are all the threats for the survival of the sea turtle. Only by removing these threats, we can ensure the survival of this species. With this, we will finish our recap session. Now, we will have a revision of annotation. First one, here it scoops out a nest cavity 45 cm deep into which it lays about 100 eggs. A. Who scoops out the nest? Answer, the olive ridley scoops out the nest. The olive ridley scoops out the nest. B. How many eggs does it lay? Answer, it lays about 100 eggs. It lays about 100 eggs. Second annotation. Tiny hatchlings which weighs less than 20 grams each. They will fall prey to crabs or birds before they reach water. A. What would be the weight of tiny hatchlings? Answer. The tiny hatchlings would weigh less than 20 grams each. The tiny hatchlings would weigh less than 20 grams each. To whom will they fall prey? Answer. They will fall prey to crabs and birds. Now, we will have a revision of answer in brief. Okay? Yes. The first question is, where do the olive ridleys spend almost their entire life and where do they go to lay eggs? Answer, the olive ridleys spend almost their entire life in the sea and they go ashore to lay their eggs. Once again, I'll repeat. The olive ridleys spend almost their entire life in the sea and they go ashore to lay their eggs. The second one. Name the 5 sea turtles found in Indian coastal waters. Answer. The olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback are the 5 sea turtles found in Indian coastal waters. The olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead and the leatherback are the 5 sea turtles found in Indian coastal waters? The third one. How do the local people, jackals, domestic dogs and pigs identify the turtle's eggs? Answer. The local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest and collect the eggs, whereas jackals, domestic dogs and pigs identify the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. The local people follow the tracks of the turtle to its nest and collect the eggs, whereas jackals, domestic dogs and pigs identify the eggs by following the scent left by the turtle. Number 4. How do the hatchlings reach the shore? Answer. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From there, they make a hurried dash to the sea. Once again I will repeat. When most of the eggs have hatched, the hatchlings push themselves upwards through the sand and emerge on the surface of the beach. From there, they make a hurried dash to the sea. Number 5. What happens to the eggs that escape from the people and predators? Answer. The eggs that escape from the people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. The hatchlings slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. The eggs that escape from the people and predators hatch 45 to 60 days later. The hatchlings slash open the leathery eggshell with the help of a tiny egg tooth. Next, answer in paragraph. We will revise the answer as well as the hard words from this answer. What are the problems faced by the female turtles when they come ashore to lay their eggs? Answer. Sea turtles come ashore to lay their eggs between the month of January and March. Female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them. Problem. Problem. Problem for them. As a turtle's front flippers. Flippers. Flippers enable it to swim gracefully. Gracefully. Gracefully and effortlessly. Effortlessly. Effortlessly, but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul, Haul, haul itself laboriously, Laboriusly. Then it fills the laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. There it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeters deep into which it lays about 100 eggs. Then it fills the cavity cavity and hides the nest with the sand. Finally, it returns to the sea, leaving the eggs to incubate. Incubate under the warmth of the sun. Warmth. Warmth of the sun. Now, the detailed answer I will revise once again. Sea turtles come ashore to lay their eggs between the month of January and March. Female olive ridleys come ashore at night to lay their eggs. This is quite a problem for them, as a turtle's front flippers enable it to swim gracefully and effortlessly but are not very useful for moving on land. The turtle has to haul itself laboriously onto the beach. Then it chooses a spot well away from the high tide line. There, it scoops out a nest cavity 45 centimeters deep into which it lays about 100 eggs. Then it fills the cavity and hides the nest with the sand. Finally, it returns to the sea, leaving the eggs to incubate under the warmth of the sun. With this, I end my recap session. Thank you for listening, children. We will meet in next class. Thank you for listening, children. We will meet in the next class.